Earlier this week, the FDA issued an emergency use authorization for convalescent blood plasma therapy to treat COVID-19, saying the known and potential benefits of the product outweigh the known and potential risks of the product. Dr. Gordana Simenovic is a Spectrum Health expert on convalescent blood plasma therapy. And Dr. Simenovic, let's quickly remind our viewers what that therapy is.
So, convalescent plasma is the therapy that transfers antibody from the person who recovered from COVID to the person who is currently sick. And that way we are helping sick person to recover.
And so what is your opinion of this FDA decision?
This is a good thing. It will make plasma more available, easier to administer. We don't have to follow all research procedures that we had to follow with Mayo protocol. Much more physicians will be able to order plasma to use that. So definitely I'm expecting that it will be used more than we used it before.
Now, President Trump came out earlier this week and said that this is great, when he asked the FDA to issue this, and he said that it will reduce mortality rates by 35%. Is that a true statement?
There is so much things that we don't know and that we still need to learn. Again, based on data we have, there are some promising signals. Data are encouraging, but there is a lot that we don't know and that we need to learn.
One of the criticisms is that it will be hard to determine which donors have the most effective plasma. Is this something you agree with?
It should be determined in randomized trials. This is emergency use authorization. This is meant to treat patients, but at the same time, there are randomized trials going on in multiple institutions, Mayo, Hopkins, multiple hospitals around the country, and randomized trials should give us the answer to that question.
Now, recently, both the Red Cross and Versiti Blood Center have started testing blood donors for COVID-19 antibodies. What's your opinion on how that will help this going forward?
That's a great thing. We need more donors. We need donors. Since this started, I keep repeating, if you recover from COVID, please consider donating. And we know that many people were asymptomatic. Now, when they donate blood, it may turn out that they had COVID in the past and they may consider donating plasma. We need more plasma, so definitely it will be helpful.
And how soon after recovering from COVID-19, if in fact you were diagnosed with it and knew you had it, can you donate plasma?
You should be asymptomatic for 14 days, for 2 weeks.
For 2 weeks. All right. Well, thank you so much for giving us some insight into what this emergency use means. If you would like more information on convalescent blood therapy, I've got that information for you on 13onyourside.com.